guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a three-part series on my channel talking about these three and maybe some more powders, but I'm going to start off with a face mask today. I'm going to get my skin in shape. Right, it's summer and summer's almost over, but we still want that glow. We still want to look cute and glowing and all of that and have nice skin. So I'm going to mix a face mask today, a DIY face mask, showing you guys, and then putting it on my face, leaving it on for a few minutes, taking it off. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know, because I'm all about natural skincare. This is what I love to do, so I'm willing to start sharing with you guys how I keep my 36-year-old skin in shape at home. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up and show you guys what I do. So first off, I'm gonna take a teaspoon or a tablespoon of each of these. So I've got the rose petal powder, licorice powder, and orange peel powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in this bowl and mix it up with some coconut oil. I might add some vitamin E oil and almond oil as well. So I've got everything in a bowl now. Alright, this is what it looks like, just the dry ingredients. I was saying you can use oil, but some people can just use, you can use water, guys. You can just use some warm water, plain water. You can use glycerine, rose water, whichever you like. But because I already got rose petal powder, I'm not using any rose water. I'm going to use a little tiny drop of water and my oils, mix it into a paste, and then apply it to my skin. Okay, so after mixing, this is the consistency you want, like a paste, and you're going to put that on my face, and I'm going to show you guys how I put it on my face. But also you could add, I added vitamin E oil and only coconut oil to this, just a little bit of water, mix it into a paste. You can also add clay if you wanted this, any clay or honey. It depends on what you want for your skin, but I just want to get some glow, alright? Just to get that natural glow and get rid of any dead skin. So I'm going to put this on and leave it on for a while, and then wash it off with some tea tree face wash. kept it on now, and I'm gonna wash it off. So what you want to do, if you wanted to make it a more runny or a pliable consistency, use lot more water than oil. If you want to make it a thicker paste that you can rub into your body, exfoliate your skin and stuff like that, you could use a little bit more oil. But yeah, I went ahead and added a little bit more oil. First I did like a exfoliating thing at the beginning, and then I went ahead, add more water, and then make it into a thicker paste, as you can see. And I applied it all over my face. I applied it to my elbows, and my hands sometimes get a bit dry and, you know, discoloration and all of that. So I'm trying to get rid of dark spots, dark circles, this, that, just to even tone your skin. And these products really help to do that. So if you guys want to see what I look like after rinse my face off, keep watching. But if you want to try this out, let me know. I'll give you guys the recipe. And yeah, share this with your family and friends, because I think all of us need to have this glow, okay, all year round. So if you can do this naturally at home, I suggest you do that too, alright? But let's go ahead, wash this face off and see what my skin is looking like. So I did it, guys. I washed it off. This is what my face looks like now, okay? So I'm gonna pat dry. And when I was washing off my face, I used lukewarm water, and then I use cold water. And it's always good to use a face wash to rinse off any excessive like stuff on your face, to get rid of all the dirt, not dirt, but you know, all the product that you just put on. So you will get some muddy looking thing coming off your face. Obviously that's the mask that you just put on. So make sure you rinse off your face before properly with a face wash. Your face will be so soft, guys, so soft. I'm telling you, you have baby skin, especially when you put oil in it. And then I'm gonna finish off with my hibiscus oil. If you guys want any of my products, you guys can purchase it, alright? I'll make sure I leave a link to my website. I do handmade and make all of these. Handmade stuff is the way, alright? So I'm just gonna apply some oil. My face oil is the truth, alright? I talk about this all the time in my skincare videos since I've been using it all the time, and I love it. So I'm just rubbing it in around the eyes and cheek area first, in upward circular motion. And my skin feels so good. But I'm gonna be doing this mask quite regularly now. Finally got the right ingredients. I've been working on stuff, and anything you see I post on my channel, guys, I make sure I try it out before I come and show you guys, okay, and test it out on myself. But yeah, really love using homemade stuff. Handmade stuff, as I said, is the way to go. You know exactly what you're putting on your skin or into your body. So I really love it. Really advise you guys to try out any of these recipes here. But if you want to get your hands on any of my products, please let me know. Comment below, let me know what you want to try out. I do hair stuff, skin stuff. I do stuff from newborns to adults. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this where I look after my skin, mature skin, I'll call it mature skin now because I'm at that age. So yeah, if you want to keep looking young, also, you know, just have that glow, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you comment what you want to see next. And yeah, I hope you guys try this out. Let me know what you think. And if you like it, make sure you go out and show everybody your beautiful new skin that's been sitting at home waiting. Okay. Like the lockdown has a lot of us feeling all sort of ways. So it's time when we're coming out now. When we come out, we're going to be glowing like the sunshine. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. I know I talk too much, but I just wanted to let you guys know what you need to do and how you're going to look. Before and after is always a great video. I just don't like getting videos where they just show you what to do and I don't see the person's face. Are they using it? Does it work? Or they're just doing it for views? I'm not doing it for views. I'm doing it to help you guys. So share my video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.